Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to embed a PDF into the WordPress website. To do that, first we need to install plugin related to that. For that I am going to the plugin. Under plugin we have three options: add new plugin. Once you click on add new plugin, it will take us to the place where we can search the particular plugin. So here we want to embed that PDF into the WordPress. So I am searching as a PDF. So here we are getting a lot of options to do that. So here on the top I am taking the PDF embedder. Once I click on install, it will install this plugin. Once everything is installed, I need to click on activate. It will activate the plugin. So then we need to go to the PDF embedder. So under install file, we will get PDF embedder and we need to click on setting. Once we click on setting, it will take us to the options like what is the default view we want to give. Here we want to give default view has width is 800 pixel, height has a 800 pixel, and where is the location. So you can make as a whenever where you want to appear top or bottom. Like we normally, if you see the PDF, we will have page nation, zoom in, zoom out option. So this toolbar hover will give option to where it should be appear, whether it should appear after hovering or it should appear always. So I selected always. Once I click it as a save, it will save. So now here we need to install that, like to embed the particular one, we need to go to the post. Under post, I am taking new post to show how to embed that one. Once I click on new post, it will take us to the new post where we will get option to add the title, dummy title, PDF embed. I am mentioning. So here we want to add the PDF. So once we click on this one, we need to search PDF. So if you see here, we get the PDF option. So here once we click on PDF, it will ask for to upload the PDF. We need to select the file which we want to show on that. So here I am selecting this PDF to show that one. Once I click here, it will take some time to upload. Once everything is uploaded, I need to select. Everything is done after I publish the post. Once we publish, we can get option to preview that one. Here I am clicking view. It is showing the PDF as an option. So in this way, you can embed the PDF on your website so user can download or they can read on the top of your website. So I hope this video help you to install PDF on your WordPress site and to provide PDF option on your website. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.